Hello and welcome back. This is video number 8 and we are now going to talk about video software. So now that you understand the most important process of creating a teaser outline, which were videos 1 through 7, believe it or not, the technical aspect of video creation is actually about 10% or even sometimes 5% of the whole process. So it's a very minute process. And once you understand the technical understanding of how to extract the video snippets and how to reorganize them based on the outline, you're going to see how easy it really is. So let me start by showing you some video creation software that you can use and what we will be using. Okay, so there are two softwares that I would recommend that you use. Number one, if you don't want to spend any money and you don't plan on doing a lot of video editing in the future with video courses, or you don't plan on creating lots of teaser videos, then there's a software called HitFilm Express. It is free and it's fairly easy to use the program to edit videos. Now, that said, I do feel like the one that is the best of them all in terms of editing videos and extracting snippets and all of that is Camtasia. We've used this for decades, and this piece of software has come very, very convenient in terms of just editing videos, creating videos, and all that. So if you foresee yourself using this to create additional snippets or additional pieces of your teaser video, then I would highly recommend Camtasia, because this is actually what I'm using right now to create this video course. So Camtasia does come with a price, and if you click on price, you'll see that it does come with a price about $249, but it is well worth it in the long run. It's definitely a good business expense when it comes to creating videos from scratch and editing videos, because what's nice about it is you can record what is going on the screen. So one thing is, if you want to add on to the video course, you could by getting Camtasia and adding additional value to the video course or to the teaser video. Now, Camtasia, what's nice about it is we will be using that in this video course, and I'll show you some tips and secrets and techniques that you can use with Camtasia that you could not otherwise use with other video apps.